Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Instinct 2S and I'm gonna show you how to start the workout tracking or activity tracking on this watch. First we need to add the preferred activity or workout to the list of favorites. To do it, press and hold the menu button to open the menu. Then scroll down through the menu by pressing the down button. Select the activities and apps and then press the GPS button. Here we have the list of activities and apps, and as you can see I have 2 of them, but you can add more if you want to, or if you prefer different ones. So scroll down, find the option called add and press GPS. And here we have different types of activities. We have outdoor, running, cycling, swimming and stuff like that. Select the category, press the GPS, then select the type of the exercise or activity. For example, let's say pool swim, and then press GPS. Then press GPS to confirm, and now as you can see, we can change the position and press GPS to place it. And now we have our activity in the activities menu. We can go back to the watch face, the home screen, and to start the workout, press the GPS button to open the favorites or activities menu. Find the activity you want to use, select it and press the GPS button. Select the pulse size, for example 25 meters, and for options, or rather once you start the activity, or rather not start but open the activity, it will look like this. And to start the recording of the workout, press the GPS button. It's gonna start the timer, as you can see, and it's going on. And during the workout you can do a couple of things. You can scroll through the options right here. You can pause the workout by pressing the GPS button again. You can then resume the workout, save it, change the sport, discard it if you want to. Also, if you go back to this menu, to the workout menu, you can scroll up by pressing the up button and down to see the stats. And if you press and hold the menu button, it will open the menu. And here we have options like pool swim setting and power mode. If you select pool swim settings, you can change some options for it, like data screens, so you can basically add more data screens or remove them or change them. For example, higher edge gauge and stuff like that. You can add more data screens. You can also add alerts if you want to. You can change the power mode, so you can customize which functions are enabled, and if you disable some, you can save the battery life during the tracking. You can change the pulse size, and you can enable the countdown start if you want to, and broadcast heart rate and stroke detect and stuff like that. That differs from the different sports. But basically, to start the workout, you select it from the workout or activities menu, press the start or other GPS button, and will start the workout. The timer will go on. You can track your activity, and then you can press the pause button or other GPS button to pause it, and then you can resume it, save it, or discard it. Like that. Okay, and that's how you start activity or workout tracking on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.